Imagine someone standing in a room filled with voices and movement, but to them, the world has faded into shadows.
You are kidding me, seriously.
For people living with advanced stages of retinitis pigmentosa, sometimes only faint light remains. But then, a groundbreaking technology appeared, something many once believed belonged only in science fiction, a real bionic eye. This device, known as the Argus II, doesn't restore full vision, but it does something extraordinary. It gives the brain a new pathway to receive visual information. Here's how it works. A tiny electronic implant is placed on the retina during surgery. The patient then wears special glasses equipped with a miniature camera. That camera captures images, converts them into electrical signals, and sends them to the implant. The implant stimulates remaining retinal cells, allowing the brain to detect patterns of light. For someone who has lived in near total darkness, seeing even simple shapes. A doorway, a bright object on a table, the outline of a person, can feel like rediscovering the world. Patients who adapted well to the device learn to perceive contrast, detect motion, and navigate their environment with a renewed sense of confidence. The technology is still evolving. Newer versions and redesigned systems are under development, aiming to improve clarity, comfort, and usability. The Argus II is not a cure, but it represents something equally important. A proof of concept that vision lost to RP can be partially restored through engineering and neuroscience. For many living with advanced RP, it symbolizes the beginning of a future where blindness is not the end, but the start of a new chapter in innovation and possibility.